Well, the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal suffering a fresh setback, this time again at the hands of the Delhi High Court. The Delhi High Court finding itself an agreement with the Enforcement Directorate and importantly staying the bail order, the bail that was granted to Arvind Kejriwal. So why is that? Why is the High Court saying what it is? What are the legal impediments and what is the way forward? We'll try to answer some of these questions. Let's begin with a quick recap. Now, it was on Thursday, that's June 20th of last week, when the trial court late in the evening around 8 p.m. had granted bail to Arvind Kejriwal and also importantly had given findings against the Enforcement Directorate, even holding at one point that the ED is acting with a bias against the Delhi Chief Minister. Now, with that bail order, there were celebrations underway within the Aam Aadmi Party. There were celebrations within the Delhi CM's office. He was expected to be released on Friday at 5 p.m. but the Enforcement Directorate threw a spanner in the works, moved the Delhi High Court first thing in the morning, and what's important is that they made the argument, they made the submission before the High Court that the trial court has been unfair to them. It has not given an equal opportunity to the Enforcement Directorate to make its case. And what's important is that even at the interim stage, the Delhi High Court found merit for staying that bail order. On Friday itself, the bail that had come on Thursday was stayed on Friday by the Delhi High Court. Now, clearly aggrieved by this, Kejriwal, assisted by his legal team over the weekend, moved the apex court on 24th, which is the first thing in the morning on Monday, which is just yesterday. Arvind Kejriwal, flanked by his legal counsel Abhishek Manu Singhvi, moved the apex court where they made the submission that this is quite unnatural for the Delhi High Court, even at this interim stage, to have granted stay on that bail. Now, the apex court refused to make any observations on this matter and said that it will hit the pause button. It will wait for the Delhi High Court to give its final verdict in the matter, and that is the final verdict which came today at 2:30 p.m. by Justice Sudhir Kumar Jain. And here, Justice Sudhir Kumar Jain, very critical of the trial court, saying that yes, it is indeed true. It is the finding of the Delhi High Court that not enough opportunity had been granted to the Enforcement Directorate, that the submissions that were advanced by the ED were not fully considered. There was not enough application of mind by the trial court judge in grant of bail, and importantly, the High Court here today was also critical of the trial court judge, making findings and observations in this matter that were contrary to earlier findings that had been arrived at by a superior court, by the Delhi High Court itself. So on the back of that, the Delhi High Court today renewing its stay of the bail order. The bail order cannot be given effect to. Arvind Kejriwal will stay behind bars, at least as of today, in Tihar jail. But all may not be lost. Let's bear in mind that the apex court proceedings were quite clear. The Supreme Court says it is only hitting a pause button and that it will renew this hearing. It will have this hearing once again on Wednesday, which is tomorrow, when the counsels for Arvind Kejriwal will again make their submissions against the stay of bail by the Delhi High Court. So all may not be lost. Tomorrow is a critical day. The apex court will be taking up this hearing once again. We'll be hearing this dispute between Arvind Kejriwal and the Enforcement Directorate. We're likely to see submissions tomorrow, and tomorrow will hold the key to whether Arvind Kejriwal becomes a free man or whether he stays locked in the Tihar jail.